Let's add in all of the chapters and lessons to the navigation now. First, we'll grab all the course data using our Use Course composable. Then, we'll render out each chapter in our navigation. Nice. Now we can see all 3 chapters rendered out into the navigation. Next, we'll add in all of the lessons for each chapter. Awesome. Now we can see our lessons also rendered underneath each chapter. We'll also add a max width to our navigation so it's not so wide. Since we're so far zoomed in this case, it doesn't really show up as much, but it does make a difference. Great. Now we have the navigation rendering, but we need to make those links actually go somewhere. We can use the chapter and lesson slugs to construct the correct paths for each lesson. Now, if we click on the links, we go to each lesson. You'll notice that as we click around, it's fast, but not instantaneous. This is because we're hitting the server for every single page that we go to. We're not taking advantage of Nuxt's universal rendering. To do this, we need to use the built-in NuxtLink component. NuxtLink is a drop-in replacement for your regular A tag, but you need to swap the href attribute for the to prop. Now, if we click around through the lessons, you can see that each new page loads instantly. Of course, the video takes a bit longer to load, but there's nothing we can really do about that. This is a pretty dramatic speedup. I mentioned before that Nuxt uses ViewRouter internally for all of its routing, and that's the same here. The NuxtLink component wraps the RouterLink component from ViewRouter, but gives us some extra magic on top. It lets us navigate entirely on the client side without ever hitting the server again. This makes it extremely fast. NuxtLink will also prefetch pages when the link is in the viewport. So before you even click on the link, the data for that page is already being loaded in the background. You could say that NuxtLink is one of the secret weapons that Nuxt uses in order to be incredibly fast. In the next lesson, we'll look at more of what NuxtLink can do for us.